Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
This sample email is a strong response to the prompt. You can pause the video here if you would like more time to read the full answer before we begin the analysis. Notice how the writer successfully addresses all three tasks. For the first bullet, they introduce themselves by saying, "My name is Alex Chen." For the second, they ask two clear questions about fees and tools. Finally, they explain their experience by describing how they helped my parents with their small vegetable garden. Covering every point is essential for a good score. The email is very well organized. It starts with a polite greeting and a clear opening sentence that states the email's purpose. Each main idea is in a new paragraph, which makes it easy for the reader to follow. The tone is respectful and friendly, which is perfect for writing to a community manager. The writer uses simple connecting words like and, also, and because to link ideas smoothly. For example, they write, "Also, I would like to know if we need to bring our own tools." The email includes two excellent B2 level words, enthusiastic and appreciate. These words show a stronger vocabulary without making the email sound unnatural. Let's look at why this response for option A is so effective. If you need more time to review the text, feel free to pause the video now. This answer clearly states its choice in the first sentence. It then gives two very strong reasons to support the choice, each in its own paragraph. For its first point, it explains that gym memberships are better because employees can choose a gym that is conveniently located. This logical support is key to a high score. The organization is excellent. The response has a clear introduction, two body paragraphs that explain the main ideas, and a short conclusion that summarizes the choice. The tone is professional and persuasive, which is perfect for a workplace survey. The writer uses simple but effective linking words like firstly and also to connect their ideas. The vocabulary is appropriate for the B1 level, but it also includes two great stretch words, motivate and flexible. These words improve the quality of the response without making it too complicated. They directly relate to the writer's main arguments. Here is a practical tip for your own writing. Always support your reasons with a specific example. The writer does this by saying that a yoga class might not appeal to people who prefer running or lifting weights. This makes the argument much more convincing. Now, let's analyze this strong response supporting option B. You can pause the video here if you would like more time to read the answer before we discuss it. This writer does a great job of clearly stating their preference in the introduction. The response is well supported with two distinct reasons in separate paragraphs. For example, the second reason focuses on how group classes help build a stronger office community, which is a very persuasive argument. The structure is logical and easy to read. It begins with the main choice, develops two supporting points in the body, and ends with a solid concluding sentence. The semi-formal tone is perfectly suited for this type of survey question. Notice the use of good connecting words like furthermore and therefore. These words help guide the reader through the writer's arguments smoothly. The vocabulary is accessible, and the two B2 level stretch words, convenient and community, are used effectively to enhance the main points. They show a stronger command of English without sounding unnatural. Here's a useful tip for your exam. Try to explain why your reasons are important. This writer doesn't just say classes are convenient. They explain that it's because employees won't have to travel to a separate gym. Adding this detail makes your reasoning more powerful and complete.